Are you ready to take the next step in your healthcare career? Become a certified medication assistant and make a real impact in patient care. Unlock a rewarding healthcare career with our comprehensive medication assistant training program. If you're looking to advance in your current role in healthcare, our course provides the knowledge and hands-on experience you need to confidently assist with medication administration in a variety of healthcare settings. Practicing as a medication aide means administering regularly scheduled medications to residents of a nursing home or skilled nursing facility under the supervision of a registered professional licensed nurse. What makes our program the right choice for you? Learn from experienced professionals in the field. Our knowledgeable instructors bring years of experience in healthcare to provide you with valuable insights and mentorship. Engage in hands-on training to gain real-world experience through practical skills development. Learn medication administration, patient care techniques, and safety procedures in a real-world setting. Our training follows the official Michigan Department of Health and Human Services guidelines, ensuring you receive a top-quality education. Here's what you will learn in our Certified Medication Aide Training Program. Learn the proper methods for dispensing medications safely, minimizing risks, and ensuring patient well-being. Develop the ability to interact compassionately and effectively with patients, families, and healthcare teams. Gain in-depth knowledge of various medications, how they work, appropriate dosages, and potential side effects. Master accurate record keeping and understand the legal guidelines necessary for responsible medication administration. The model curriculum consists of 60 hours of didactic training, which will include work in a skills lab or simulation facility, in addition to 40 hours of supervised clinical practicum. You will also receive comprehensive preparation for the Medication Aide Competency Evaluation, ensuring you are fully equipped to become a certified medication aide. Eligibility requirements for the Medication Assistant Training Program include having worked as a nurse aide in a nursing home or skilled nursing facility for at least 2,000 hours during the 2-year period immediately preceding the date of applying for a Medication Aide Certificate, and possessing a valid Michigan Nurse Aide Certificate. By the end of this program, you'll be fully equipped to perform the vital job duties of a CMA and provide top-quality care to patients. Join the ranks of skilled certified medication assistants and take your career to the next level. Your journey starts here.